Hey, hello everyone. My name is Freddy Farmill and today I'll be painting some more Pokemon. Last two videos I painted Bulbasaur, Ivysaur and Venusaur and Squirtle, Wartortle and Blastoise. So today, you've guessed it, I'll be painting Charmander, Charmeleon and Charizard. So yeah, let's do this!
Burn, I won't let you burn. I'd set my soul on fire for you, I'll never learn. Take me back to the days where I could escape my anxiety, on the run from the expectations, to stop them from drowning me silently. I never wanted it to be this way, and now my conscience is out on parade. Let me stop you from going nowhere, cause I can see you burning out, wondering how you even got here, why no one can hear you shout. On the heels of a distant memory, helping me get over you. Send me back to the nights where I could escape your reality. Burn, I won't let you burn. I've set my soul on fire for you, I'll never learn. I guess that I should go before you go up in smoke. I'd rather let you fill my lungs so I can let you know I won't let you burn. I never thought I'd face your fears alone. I'm learning now that your halo never glows. There's not a thing that I'd rather do than to be dragged down by you, I'll never learn. Burn, I won't let you burn. I'd set my soul on fire for you, I'll never learn. I guess that I should go before you go up in smoke. I'd rather let you fill my lungs so I can let you know I won't let you burn. I won't let you burn. I won't let you burn.
Alright, well, as you can see, the trilogy is now complete. I hope you guys had just as much fun watching these videos as I had making them. I want to thank the band of today real quick, Planet Mercury. I've put some links to their Spotify and Facebook in the description down below so you guys can check them out. Well, I would love if you guys could subscribe to my channel. I want to make more of these kind of mini-series kind of videos where I make more paintings about one subject. So yeah, if you like that, then be sure to subscribe. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one really soon. Bye bye.
Burn, I won't let you burn. I'd set my soul on fire for you, I'll never learn.